Hi guys, Adam here, and welcome back to another video in Adam's Toyland. Today, I'm going to be showing you this Wild Republic capuchin monkey. The capuchin monkey is the smartest monkey in the world. The capuchin monkey has the ability to use tools in the wild. The only other primate that does this is apes. There are 5 capuchin monkey species in the world. Capuchin monkeys eat fruits, flowers, insects, nuts, some small invertebrates, and even small birds. The natural predators of the capuchin monkey are jaguars, some reptiles like snakes and crocodiles. They also are preyed upon by birds of prey like the harpy eagle, all eagles, and hawks. Capuchin monkeys live in 2 South American countries. They are Brazil and Latin America. Capuchin monkeys usually live in large groups or troops, and that ranges to 10 to 35 individuals. Considering they are one of the most endangered animals in the Amazon rainforest, and in South America too, capuchin monkeys are threatened because of hunting and habitat loss. The wild population of the capuchin monkey is sadly 180 or less. We need to save the capuchin monkey from extinction. To the creature rescue! The lifespan of a capuchin monkey is 15 to 25 years in the wild. Capuchin monkeys, like any other primate, do not make very good pets because primates are unpredictable. They might even tear up your house and potentially make themselves at home and become territorial about your things. How capuchin monkeys protect themselves from predators is that they have certain alarm calls that they sound like sharp whistles. Okay, time for the rating. I rate this Wild Republic capuchin monkey 10 out of 10. I recommend anybody getting this animal if they like capuchin monkeys, Wild Republic monkeys, primates, animals that live in South America, and very cute animals. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please click the like button down below and to subscribe. Click the picture of 10 toes and subscribe to this channel. Oh, one more thing. Stay loving capuchin monkeys. See you later. Bye.